Linking your bank account to Yahoo Mail can help you manage your finances and receive important notifications. Follow these steps to set up the connection. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail website. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once you are logged in, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to open the settings menu, then select more settings from the drop-down. Step 3. Navigate to security settings. In the settings menu, find and click on security or accounts. This section allows you to manage your account security and linked services. Step 4. Link your bank account. Look for an option to add or link a bank account. You may need to provide your bank's name, account number, and routing number. Follow the prompts to enter the required information. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Link button to finalize the process. You may receive a verification email or notification. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to Yahoo Mail. This will help you stay organized and informed about your financial activities.